One is general method, second is shortcut method, and third is method of variation of parameters. So now we want to study the method of variation of parameter. Yesterday we have written the formulas. Let me revise them and we'll start with the next part. Visible na? Board is visible. Method of variation of parameter, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the differential equation, second order differential equation. Our aim is to find particular integral. Okay, so what is the general solution? Y equal to y of c plus y of p. Up top them complementary function. For that auxiliary equation is required, and we obtain the two roots. Okay, two roots, and from there the y of c is obtained, c1 y1 plus c2 y2. Now what is particular integral? Replacing constant by some particular values. So say u y1 plus v y2. Now what the u is? Minus of, anyone remember what the formula is? Yesterday we written the formula. V, sorry, not v, y2 f of x divided by w. Whereas what the v is? Y1 into f of x divided by w. W is the Wronskian. Okay, and Wronskian is the determinant of y1, y2, y1 dash, y2 dash, which is always non-zero since y1 and y2 are linearly independent. There. Clear? Let me change the page. So we'll start with examples. Examples. Find, write with me, particular integral of, write in bracket, by method of variation of parameters. Method of variation of parameters. First example, d square plus 1y equal to cosec x. Yes, can anyone tell me, can we use shortcut method? Our aim is to find pi. So can we use shortcut method?
No, sir.
Not applicable. Right, since shortcut method formula is known for sine and cos only. Right, can we use general method? Can we use general method? No. Why we cannot use general method? Yes, anyone? Since factors are complex numbers. Roots are complex numbers, right? Better say roots are complex numbers. And therefore we have only one alternative. We have to use the method of variation of parameter. Aa raha hai sabko samajh mein? Right? There is no shortcut method formula cosec for cosec x. So shortcut method to find a particular integral cannot be used. We cannot use general method also. Since if we try to find the factors, they are d plus I and d minus I. Complex number therefore. Okay. So let me continue. General solution is, this is for your information only. Now onward you have to write in exam. Right. General solution is y equal to y of c plus y of p. This was for your information only. Don't have to write in exam. Okay. This you have to write in exam. Y equal to y of c plus y of p. Right. One complementary function. So like this, d square plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, d square equal to minus 1. And therefore, d equal to plus minus I. Complex roots. Right. where alpha equal to 0, beta equal to 1. Hope you remember all these things very well. Huh? Hope you remember the formula of complementary function. It was like this: C1 cos of x, sorry, C1 cos of, yes, alpha x plus alpha beta, sorry, beta x plus C2 sin of beta x into e raised to alpha x. Please substitute the value of alpha and beta. So y of c equal to c1 cos of x plus c2 sin of x, and e raised to 0 is 1. So I am not writing that. As usual. Okay. Now write second pi. Pi is obtained from CF by assigning particular values to arbitrary constants. No need to write this. If you want to leave it, you can leave it. But understand the concept. Since first example, I am writing everything. So y of p equal to, right, c1 is to be replaced by u cos x. C2 is to be replaced by v sin x. Right? They are obtained from equation number 2. C1 and C2 are replaced by particular values. Okay. Now our aim is to find u and v. So let me go to the next page. Okay. So now see what I'll do. I'll compare the equation number 2. So I'll do like this. Okay. Since this is only for your information, y of c equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. So I'll compare that with the c1 y1 plus c2 y2. So what is y1? Cos x. What is y2? Sin x. I'll write all these things on the next page. Okay. So can I change the page? I'm audible?
Sir.
Can I?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me change the page and let me write the all the parameters which are required to find u and v. So y1 is cos x, y2 is sin x, f of x is the right side, cosec x. Okay, and Wronskian is required. W equal to y1, y2, y1 dash is the derivative, y2 dash. So cos x, sin x. So this derivative of cos x here to be written. Sin x. Derivative of sin x, cos x. This is determinant, So now the question should not be there key from where we are getting this arrows. This is only for understanding where it is. Cos square x plus sin square x. So what is conclusion? W is equal to 1. Always it is non-zero. So these 4 values now I will use. Return W, y1, y2, f of x, and this W. Okay. Now write u equal to minus of y2 f of x divided by W. Yes, substitute minus of what the y2 is, sin x, into f of x is cosec x divided by W. 1. Cosec x is 1 upon sin, so they will cancel, right? So what will remain? Minus of dx. Minus of x. Simple. Then try to find the v. y1, getting everyone na? Substitute the values. So cos x into cosec x divided by 1. Isn't it? अरे क्या होता है इसका इंटीग्रेशन? व्हाट इज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ cot x? log of
log of
Sin
sin
x.
x.
ओके कुछ निगेटिव साइन वगैरह? नो ना नॉट ओके
नहीं सर.
substitute u and v. Here it is. Y of c plus y of p. Hope everyone is getting this. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Written everything? Understood? May I change the page? Page change कर दूं?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Second example. Right? D square minus 2D plus 2y so you might have observed that we cannot use the shortcut method, right? Since for the tan x we don't know the shortcut method formula, na? Therefore shortcut method cannot be used. I'm saying that general method also cannot be used. Why? I want answer at the end of this question. Okay, we cannot use the general method also. Why? I'm leaving this for you. Maybe in the process of solving this example, you might get answer of that. So D equal to minus B, right? Na? Plus minus B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. So what the y of c is? C1 cos of beta x, C2 sin of beta x. into
Sir?
e raised. Continue. In doubt?
नाही सर, बरोबर आहे.
Okay. Second. The Ganesh Chaturthi is starting from 10th, na?
Tomorrow, sir.
From tomorrow.
Yes, sir, from tomorrow.
Absolutely, from tomorrow, no doubt. So, in the Hindu ideology as well as whatever the religions usually we consider they originated in India. So, in all these religions, next 10 days from the Chaturthi to Ananta काय म्हणतात रे?
Anant Chaturdashi.
Chaturdashi, बरोबर, 14th day, right ना? So these 10-11 days are considered as auspicious, right na? So if you want to take any good decision about your career, that will be the most auspicious time. You can decide about your career, you can take some decision, okay? या कुछ अलग करना है, if you want to do something new, maybe in this semester, next semester in life, you can decide, you can think in next 10 days and you can reach at some decision. Okay, let me continue. Okay, particular integral. So, right, let pi as y of p equal to c1 is u and c2 is v e raised to x. Here, what is y1? Can anyone tell me what is y1? Can anyone tell me what is y1? अरे y1 बताओ. Yes? अरे कौन बात कर रहा है? हाँ, y1 बताओ. Cos x. What about y2? Sin x. What about f of x? Right side of the differential equation.
Tan x.
Very good. Okay. Are you getting these values? Everyone? Arey, say something. Say yes, or no.
Yes, sir.
You are forgetting this e raised to x. U cos x into e raised to x is there, na? Right, na? E raised to x is there, na? In equation number 3, e raised to x is there, which is outside. You have to consider that e raised to x also. Don't forget that. So it should be e raised to x cos x, e raised to x sin x. Okay? Yes. Then that on w equal to y1, y2, y1 dash, y2 dash. E raised to x cos x, e raised to x sin x, their derivatives. E raised to x derivative is e raised to x sin x. Product rule we have to use. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x sin x as it is, plus e raised to x as it is. What is derivative of sin x? Cos x. And then we have to obtain the determinant. Before we find the determinant, let me take e raised to x common from the first and second row, or maybe from the column. E raised to x from first row, e raised to x from second row. So what is remaining? Cos x minus sin x, sin x, sin x plus cos x. Now expand the determinant. Now it's not difficult. E raised to 2x sin x cos x plus cos square x minus sign of the formula of determinant. So minus sin x cos x plus
to 2x.
Absolutely sin square x. This will cancel. and it is e raised to 2x. Remember that it is always non-zero. So 4 values are required. They are here. y1 e raised to x cos x, y2 f of x, and this w. Right? These 4 values are required for the next part. Let's try to remember them. Okay. So let me change the page and we'll find u and v. Can I change the page? Have you written everything?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Go to the next page. 56. So u equal to minus y2 then f of x divided by w. So minus of y2 is e raised to x sin x. Please check this. Then this is e raised to x tan x divided by e raised to 2x. So e raised to x into e raised to x, e raised to 2x, and this will cancel. So now we want to understand how we can integrate this. Can anyone tell me how we can integrate it? Yes. कोई माई का लाल बता सकता है कि हम इसको कैसे इंटीग्रेट कर सकते हैं? हाँ, कोई बता सकता है क्या फ्रॉम आवर क्लास? सिंपल नॉट टू डिफिकल्ट. अरे बताओ. यस, एनीवन? सौरभ?
एफ ऑफ एक्स स्क्वेअर अपॉन एफ डॅश ऑफ एक्स असं काही चालेल का?
चालू शकते पण सिम्प्लिफाय करू की?
वन साइन स्क्वायर को वन माइनस स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं.
Absolutely. 1 upon cos is sec x minus cos x. Derivative of denominator is in numerator. You can use that also. Not a problem. Integration is log of sec x plus tan x minus is plus. What is the integration of cos x? Sin x. This is u. Hope you are getting it. Okay. Now write down v y1 f of x divided by w dx. So simplify. This is simple as compared to the previous part. Tan is sine by cos. Hope you will able to write the y of p. U cos x. So like this. Plus v sin x. Then into e raised to x. Huh? This is y of t. Hope you might be getting the answer. Write y of c plus y of t at the end. This is the answer. Yes. We'll go through one more example. Can I go to the next page? 86, 87. Can I change the page?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Next, 87. Acha, page number 87. Example is like this. Okay. Example number 3. D square plus 1 equal to 3x minus 8 cot x. I don't think it is a difficult example. Okay, we'll solve it. Right on. Y equal to y of c plus y of p. Right. 1 complementary function. D square plus 1 equal to 0. D square equal to minus 1. D equal to plus minus I. So hope everyone remember the complementary function formulas. Let particular integral as C1 and C2 are to be replaced by U and V. Okay, go ahead. So y1 equal to, what is y1? Cos x. y2 sin x. F of x, right side. And our Wronskian, find that. One. Cos square x plus sin square x. Right now. U equal to. y2 sin x. One. Actually, one is not required. What is cos by sin? For this, let me use this. Bernoulli's formula. Na? This is P. The term whose derivative becomes 0 is the P. The remaining term is Q. Okay, so it is like this. P as it is. Integration of Q. Integration of sin x. What is integration of sin x? Minus cos x. Minus P dash. Derivative of x is 1. Integration of Q twice. Integration of sin is, first integration is minus cos x. One more integration, minus sin x. Next term is 0. So no need to write it. Plus 8. Integration of cos x is sin x. So three x cos x minus minus minus, so minus 3 sin x plus 8 sin x. So 3x cos x
सर तिथं प्लस 3 sin
plus
x येणार
5.
ना.
थांब की जरा. कुठे लास्ट
3x cos x plus 3 sin
ठीक
x.
आहे. ही टर्म म्हणतो का सेकंड टर्म?
बाहेर मायनस साइन.
Minus sign here. Here minus sign and here minus sign. 3x cos x plus 5 sin x. Please check your answer. If I am making mistake anywhere, please let me know. Oh, I forget to take the attendance. Let me take the attendance. Say this way we are taking the attendance. So start attendance. Sorry. From where to take attendance? From here only, na? Okay. Hope it has started. Start attendance. Okay. Yes. Now U is known to us. We'll find V. Can I change the page? Now just help me. 88. Aim is to find V. Y2. Y1 I think. Y1.
सर नाही आला अटेंडन्स.
तुला कशी येईल ती? ERP मध्ये येते ती. तू लोड घेऊ नको त्याचा. Y1 हे सांग मला. श्रेयस Y1 काय सांग?
y1 cos x.
Cos x. This is 3x minus 8 cot x. 1.
8 cot x. बरोबर.
3 x cos x. 8. Okay. This is the P. This is the Q. Cot is cos by sin, so cos square x divided by sin x. We solve one example of this type before sometime. or you can use derivative of denominator and numerator. That is also okay. Log of what is integration? Integration of sin x is minus, 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 it will become plus. That's it. Please do this yourself. U is known to us, V is known to us, substitute the value, find Y of P, and from there you try to write the general solution. Okay, next page. $59 now. Written? Okay, next page. D square plus 9y right, y equal to y of c plus y of p. Solve some part and the remaining part will be homework for you. So keep patience for next some time. So write particular integral u cos of 3x plus v sin of 3x. One upon one plus sin 3x. Find w. Three cos square plus 3 sin square. So y1, y2, f of x, and this w. y2. Yes, anyone? What should be done so that we'll able to integrate it? हाँ, कोई बता सकता है क्या करना चाहिए? What should be done? अरे बताओ यार. We studied all these mathematics in.
Maximize.
हाँ, very good, very good, very good. चलो करके देखते हैं. देखते हैं whether we are getting the answer or not.
Sir, page.
अरे हो, sorry. So 1/3. 1 minus sine square 3x, a minus b, a plus b. Now, okay, this is to be converted in integrable form. Sine by cos is tan. Sec 3x. Do we know the integration? Yes. Sec
Yes, sir.
3x divided by 3. बरोबर ना रे? कशाच इंटिग्रेशन आहे?
Oh, sir.
Tan square 3x is integration of काहीतरी चुकते.
सर इंटिग्रेशनच्या बाहेरचं मायनस साईन.
इंटिग्रेशनच्या बाहेरचं मायनस साइन कुठं गेलं आणि ते. हो 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 हो. Correct. Tan square x is not integration of any term, right ना? सेक में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा उसको. चलो अगले पेज पे जाते हैं. ओके. वन प्लस tan स्क्वायर. सही है. Now this is an integrable form. माइनस माइनस प्लस dx का. Getting everyone? I have taken 1/3 common and taken minus sign inside. So positive terms will become negative, negative will become positive. Hope you are getting it. आता हे y1 काय आहे? I forget that. What is y1? Cos 3x. What is f of x? 1/1 plus sin 3x. This is simple. Let me adjust the 3. I'm writing 3 here, 3 here, and using this formula. Log of f of x. Please use that formula. So usually out of this u and v, one of them, if one of them is difficult, other usually is simple. So these are u and v, okay? Then you please write the particular integral. Please simplify that and then write the general solution. Please do that yourself. Thank you. We'll stop here. Any doubt? Project, I have shared the Google Sheet with you. I have modified that. Many of you were not able to edit it, I think. But now I have modified it. So please write the required information in the Google Sheet. Still, if you are facing any problem, send a message to me on the WhatsApp, personal WhatsApp, not in the group. Okay, I'll resolve the problem. Thank you. We'll stop here. We'll continue with the next part, Cauchy's homogeneous linear differential equation and Legendre's linear differential equation in next lecture. Aim is to complete the syllabus in this week. We may have to conduct few extra lectures, but somehow we have to complete everything by Sunday. Okay. Okay, we'll stop here. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.